Welcome viewers to another edition of Trinbago Life. Today we are in the place where I love to be, where you love to be, in nature. Right now we're in Paramin. I don't want to just like very random shit. So we up on Paramin. I'm busy with my brethren, Emil, partner from school.
Paramin is like, it have a set of, it's not just mountains and uphill alone. We have plenty little ridge, plenty ups, plenty downs, you know. So right now we are on top piece of in a little valley of Campbell. This is where we call
How
Guafo.
many entrances it have to get to Paramin?
Well, Paramin have a lot of entrance. So you could come in from Lee Platte.
Right.
On the Mount Coco, you can come in from two places on the Mount Coco. You can come in from Pity Valley or Cameron. You can come in from Maracas. You know, it have other walking places. You might be able to come in from Mocha if you.
It depends on the vehicle that you're driving
yeah, but
to.
like some places you might have to walk. Like to come in from Mocha, you could probably walk up from on that side. It don't have no road to drive there. You know, it have plenty little ins and outs and whatever. But Paramin is a, how you say, it's like a country life, but not. You know, you have to go real far to go to a country. Paramin is not all that far. You know, it'll take you 15 minutes from Paramin to Port of Spain on a day with like 4 in the morning, no traffic, you know.
I notice these side here have a kind of brownish thing like they're drying up. And then on the other side here, notice as we come down here, these others just looking like, whoa. This is some kind of transformation process.
These are the newly plants. So this is what the plants come like. The plant is like
right.
Side does recycle itself. So you might take some old plants, old sides from our older crop. You will take these, we call them plants, and you plant them. So it will look like this. All these brown things, these brown leaf and things will just drop, and eventually they will turn like this. Now these plants are a while before, so they will just take in all the water and everything, and it growing, just coming good. So this eventually this will turn to this.
For a teenage pregnancy.
Yeah, actually, if you are a road, that's a good one. I have a
far out of reach.
Yeah. Yeah, this is Zappa Peak. So plenty people use this for medicine and things. You would break off the branch from the leaf from here. You pull it down, you break it, and you put it to boil. You draw it. This is Mia River. It's a little river we have in Paramin here, but this water goes all the way down to Blue Basin and they go Marjan. And along the way, if you follow the river, there's a bunch of little pool like this going down to meet they go Marjan.
Right, viewers, so this is the mode of transport to come up to Paramin. 4x4 vehicles. And this is how I know it from since small. Alright, 4x4s have the seats in the back, seats in front. What is the capacity?
6.
6.
Right, so where we is now, this is we on top. La Vigi is the top of Paramin. So we call it Bala Vigi because Paramin is a lot of patois names they use. So Paramin people say they're going up by Bala Vigi, that is up here. Right, so the top of Paramin here, mountain is La Vigi. This is the third highest mountain in Trinidad. And the car park up out there, as of right now, we don't have a vehicle higher than that car. So the other two mountains, you have to hike to get to the two. But this mountain, you can drive straight to the top. Right? And over there, the island is Shoro Island. Right? There's a beach just under here. A long way down, hike down, very long. That's Shoro Beach. Right? So where we is here now, it's, where the car park is the highest point of vehicle is right now in Trinidad.